Today topic of lecture, Delphi method of idea generation. Delphi method is one of the important idea generation method. Idea generation means formation of ideas, creation of ideas for solve the problems. It is called a idea generation. Delphi method is one of the important idea generation method. What is Delphi method? Delphi method is a forecasting process framework based on the result of multiple records, multiple rounds of questionnaire sent to a panel of experts. Several rounds of questionnaires are sent out to the group of experts, and anonymous response are aggregated and shared with the group of after each round. It is a Delphi method. Delphi method is a forecasting process framework based on the result of multiple round of questionnaires sent to a panel of experts. Several rounds of questionnaires are sent out to the group of experts, and the anonymous response are aggregated and shared with the group after each round. It is a Delphi method. In this method also, it is a forecasting process. Forecasting means future. Any project, any product, any business. That purpose, you take the ideas. In this participants also experts, some group members. That some questionnaires, several rounds of questionnaires. Each round, some give the questions. Evaluate every round. Ideas. After next round also give the some questions to the experts. Several rounds of this process. After evaluate, calculate all ideas. Finally summarize. You give the suitable idea. In this method is Delphi method of idea generation. It is a so many stages. The stages are as follows. One by one, I explain now. Steps in Delphi method of idea generation. Steps in Delphi method of idea generation. First one is choose a facilitator. Identify your experts. Define the problem. Round one questions. Round two questions. Round three questions. Act on your finding. It is a steps of Delphi method of idea generation. First step is choose a facilitator. Next step, identify experts. Next one, define the problem. Next one, round 1 questions. Next step, round 2 questions. Next step, round 3 questions. Last one, act on your finding. These all are steps in Delphi method of idea generation. One by one, I explain now. First step is Delphi method in idea generation. Choose a facilitator. Facilitator means mediator or coordinator. All activity, all program. Idea generation program, coordinate purpose, one person is required. That is in the company, in the business, in the institution. Mediator, neutral candidate. Select the one facilitator. That person is all idea generation program conducted. First step. Next one is identify your experts. First you selected the one facilitator in the organization, in the company, in the business, one needle person. That person is some identify the experts, their business field in the company or institution or business or outsiders or consumers or channel of distribution agencies, any that field knowledge persons, you identify the some experts in this second step of idea generation. Next one is define the problem. After selection of experts, knowledge persons, senior persons, their field, their business. After define the problem. What is problem? Main. Explain clearly. So and so problem. So and so business. So and so program. The feature. That success you give a ideas. Creation of ideas. Clearly known the problem. That problem solving purpose, give the ideas in this stage. Next one is round 1 questions. You first to select the facilitator. Next identify the experts. Next define the problem. After you first round starting the questions, their problem, their issue, related. Prepare some questions. Give the experts that questions. That first round also every experts individually or give the some ideas, their problem, their issue. Every participant give the ideas, give the answer of the questions. After you evaluate, calculate, summarize that expert's opinion, that based the questions. This is first round, questions is over. In this first round is give the some questionnaires, questions related the their problem, that based the give the ideas. Experts, after you summarize, evaluate all ideas, some not useful ideas that related problem, that all are avoid. This first round questions is over. Next round 2 questions after completion of first round questions. Next same problem, same issue, some questions also depth. Give the problems based the questionnaires. Every experts, every participant circulated that questions. After every participants give the that based the ideas, solve their problem in future. Every expert, after collect the all ideas, next same evaluate, calculate, summarize any unsuitable, not useful ideas, avoid. Finally, the second round is over. Next round 3 questions. First and second rounds also over. This is third round. In this final stage, you summarize or conclusion, give the some questions. Ending stage, same procedure, give the some few questions. That questions also based the ideas, give the experts or participants in this method. Same after that ideas are evaluate, scrutinize, summarize any unnecessary ideas, avoid. The round is over. Next one, last round. Round 1, round 2, round 3, questions based. You collect the some ideas from experts. Finally, you finding the all ideas summarized. What is suitable idea? Our problem solving feature. Forecast. Select the one idea you implemented in this stage. These all are stages of Delphi method of idea generation. First one is choose a facilitator. Next one, identify your experts. Next one, define the problem. Next one, round one questions. Next one, round two questions. Next one, round three questions. Last one, act on your finding. It is a Delphi method of idea generation. This topic is over. Thank you.